You've heard the stories. AI is coming for all our jobs. But what about skilled trades? Can a robot really replace a technician, a fitter, or a toolmaker? Let's find out. Welcome to SkillSync AI, the channel that helps you stay ahead of the curve as artificial intelligence transforms the world of work. In today's episode, we're diving into the skilled trades in the manufacturing and logistics sector, the people who keep machines running, fix the things that break, and build the systems we all rely on. Think mechanical fitters, electrical technicians, toolmakers, welders, line technicians, maintenance staff. We'll explore how AI is impacting these roles, what skills are still uniquely human, and where the biggest changes are happening. What's really at stake? Unlike some office-based roles, skilled trades involve a mix of hands-on physical work, diagnostic thinking, precision tool, use, adaptability in messy, unpredictable environments. That's not easy to automate, but AI is still making its mark in major ways. How AI is already involved in skilled trades. 1. Predictive maintenance AI uses sensors and machine learning to forecast when equipment is likely to fail, reduces unplanned downtime, and shifts maintenance from reactive to proactive. 2. Digital twins and simulations technicians can now test fixes in a virtual model before touching the real equipment. 3. Augmented reality AR. Smart glasses can display step-by-step repair instructions or highlight faulty components in real time. 4. Diagnostic dashboards. Instead of trial and error, techs now use AI-powered systems that flag likely issues. 5. Cobots, collaborative robots, assist with repetitive, dangerous, or heavy tasks, require human oversight, setup, and interpretation. So while AI isn't replacing these roles outright, it's changing how they're done and what's expected of the people in them. Which roles are changing fastest? Maintenance technicians, no longer just waiting for machines to break, now working alongside AI to perform condition-based maintenance. Toolmakers use AI-driven software to design and simulate tool function. Need to understand both materials, science, and data-driven modeling. Electrical fitters use smart sensors, AI-enhanced schematics, and remote diagnostics, must interpret data and make fast decisions in high-stakes environments. Welders and assemblers, automated welding is on the rise. But human flexibility and judgment are still essential. AI-guided rigs are common in precision industries like automotive and aerospace. Service technicians, becoming part mechanic, part data analyst, troubleshooting complex systems that include AI and software components. What skills are becoming essential? 1. Tech literacy, understanding AI systems, sensors, and data dashboards. 2. Analytical troubleshooting, using both intuition and AI data to find and fix problems faster. 3. Cross-skilling, knowing mechanical and electrical systems, being able to work across disciplines. 4. Communication with automation, teams explaining on-the-ground realities to data scientists and engineers, giving feedback on system performance and flaws. 5. Focus on safety and ethics, knowing when automation should stop, intervening when AI suggestions don't match real-world risks. A day in the life. The AI-enabled technician start of Shift AI dashboard prioritizes daily maintenance tasks. Digital twin alerts technician to potential overheating in line 4. First call out using AR goggles. Technician follows step-by-step instructions, guided by live system feedback. Collaborative repair, a cobot unscrews panel housing, while technician safely accesses the damaged motor. AI logs the job and updates maintenance history. Midday review, technician flags unusual wear that wasn't predicted. AI learns from it and updates the model. End of shift AI provides a performance summary and flags training modules for upcoming tech. It's not science fiction. This is already happening in smart factories around the world. Entry-level pathways. AI won't shrink the demand for skilled trades. It will actually make them more appealing to younger, tech-savvy workers, help prevent burnout from repetitive tasks, create new hybrid roles like 1. Mechatronics technician, 2. AI-assisted machinery operator. 3. Predictive maintenance coordinator. 4. Smart systems technician. If you've got hands-on skills and a willingness to learn the tech, you're in demand. What managers need to know: operations leaders. Take note, AI adoption won't work without technician buy-in training. Must include hands-on time with AI tools. Expect resistance if systems are introduced without clear benefit. Invest in hybrid roles, not just automation. The best AI implementation is one that amplifies human skill, not replaces it. AI might be able to predict a fault, but it still takes a skilled human to fix it. For tradespeople in manufacturing and logistics, the future is collaborative. Tomorrow on SkillSync AI, we shift focus to engineers and how predictive maintenance is changing how they plan, build, and improve complex systems. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next shift.